NCERT questions, page number 15, question number 6. It says, balance the following chemical equations. HNO3 plus CaOH whole twice gives CaNO3 whole twice plus H2O. Here we count the number of H atoms. Here H atoms 2 and this is 1, 3, but here it is 2. Here NO3 1, here NO3 2. So first of all, let's balance NO3. We put 2 here. So after putting 2, and H becomes 4 in LHS and NO3 is balanced. Now let's see hydrogen. So if we put here 2, then what happens? Number of hydrogen are 4 on both sides. Then calcium, it is balanced. And what about oxygen? So here 2 atoms of oxygen and here 2 atoms of. So equation is balanced. This is first question. Now second question, in second part of question 6, NaOH plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus H2O. Here SO4 is balanced, but here the number Na2SO4, it means sodium should be 2 atoms here. So if we put 2, now Na is balanced. Now count the number of hydrogen. So here, because of this 2, this will be 2 hydrogen here and 4 hydrogen. So if we put 2 here, now it is balanced. So SO4 1 on both the sides, and here O, 2O here, 2O here. So it is balanced. Now let's consider next equation. It is NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Here, if we count number of sodium atoms in LHS is 1 and in RHS it is 1. Ag it is 1, it is 1. Cl here 1, here Cl1. Then N on both side 1 and oxygen on both side 3. So it is balanced chemical equation. Let's consider next equation. So BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus HCl. Now here Cl is 2 atoms of Cl are there, so we can put 2 here. Now Ba on both sides is 1, S is 1 atom on both sides, oxygen 4 here, and hydrogen 2, so it is balanced. Now let's go to next question. So question number 7. Question number 7 says calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice plus carbon dioxide CO2 gives calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus water plus H2O. Now, write the balanced chemical equation. According to the question, we have to balance the chemical equation. So first of all, we can see why CaCO3. So Ca has valency +2 and CO3 has valency -2. So after transferring, it will remain CaCO3. So it's correct. And calcium has valency +2 and OH has valency -1. So here also Ca +2, OH -1. So after transferring, we will get CaOH whole twice. So equation is correct. Now we have to balance it. So let's check calcium, 1 atom. And what about oxygen? So here oxygen 2 and 2, 4. Here oxygen 3 and 1, 4. It's balanced. Then what about carbon? Carbon 1, carbon 1. And hydrogen 2. So it is balanced. Let's see once again. Calcium 1 and 1. Oxygen 2, 2, 4. Oxygen 3 and 1, 4. And hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 2. So it is balanced. So this is first part. Now let's go to second part. So second part is zinc Zn plus silver nitrate AgNO3 gives zinc nitrate ZnNO3 whole twice plus silver Ag. First of all, we should check why AgNO3 or why ZnNO3 whole twice. So Ag has valency +1, NO3 has valency -1. So here after transfer it will remain AgNO3. Zn has valency +2 and NO3 has valency -1. So after transferring, it will be ZnNO3 whole twice. So that is why this is written here. Now let's balance. So Zn 1, 1, Ag 1, 1. But NO3 here, N is 1, here N is 2, and oxygen here 6, here 3. It means we have to put 2 here. So now N is balanced, O is balanced except Ag. So here before Ag we can put 2, then equation will be balanced. Let's go to next question, third part. Aluminium plus copper chloride. So Al plus CuCl2 gives aluminium chloride AlCl3 plus copper Cu. Here also aluminium has valency +3, chlorine has valency -1. So after transfer we will get AlCl3, and copper has valency +2 cupric, and Cl has valency -1. So after transfer we will get CuCl2. So that is why here CuCl2 is written. So now let's balance it. Here chlorine is 3 and here 2. So we can do one thing. We can put 3 here. So if then copper will be 3. So we can put 3 here also. So here 3, and then if we put here 2, so chlorine will be 6 atoms in RHS. So here also chlorine 6 atoms, and then aluminium 2 atoms. So here we put 2. So it is balanced. Now question number next. So it is barium chloride. So that is BaCl2 plus potassium sulfide. Potassium sulfate, so K2SO4 gives barium sulfate BaSO4 plus potassium chloride KCl. Now let's balance it. So we can easily balance it. So Ba here one atom, here also one atom, S one atom on both sides, oxygen 4, oxygen here 4, then K is here 2, Cl is also 2. So we can do one thing, we can put 2 here and then equation will be balanced. Now let's go to question number 8. Question number 8 says, write the balanced chemical equations for the following and identify the type of reactions in each case. So let's see, potassium iodide, first part, Ki, potassium iodide, sorry, it is not potassium iodide, but it is potassium bromide, KBr, plus barium iodide, BaI2, which gives potassium iodide, Ki, plus barium bromide, BaBr2. So if we consider the valencies, so K has valency +1, Br has valency -1, Ba has valency +2, I has valency -1. So that is why the compounds like BaI2, Ki, and BaBr2. So now here, this is one compound, this is another compound. So this is example of double displacement reaction. Now let's balance it. So here KBr, Br2. So do one thing, put here 2. Now K, so if we put 2 here, so Ki and then Ba. Now it is balanced. B part is zinc carbonate, ZnCO3. Carbonate has valency -2, zinc has +2. When it is heated, so it gives a Zn zinc oxide, ZnO plus CO2. This is balanced chemical equation. So here, this is example of decomposition reaction because one reactant is breaking into two products. Now, let's see next example, hydrogen plus chlorine, H2 plus Cl2 gives HCl. So we can balance by putting 2. This is an example of combination reaction. Now, D part, magnesium, Mg plus HCl. State I have not written, like Mg is solid, HCl is liquid. So here, not liquid, but aqueous solution. So it gives magnesium chloride, MgCl2, which is aqueous. Here we can write it as aqueous and this solid. So plus hydrogen plus H2. So plus H2. So here we can write H2 gas. Now here Mg is more reactive than hydrogen. So it has displaced hydrogen from here. So this is example of displacement reaction. According to the definition of displacement reaction, more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal or compound of less reactive element from its solution. So here Mg is more reactive than H. So here Mg has replaced or displaced H from HCl and MgCl2 plus H2 gas is formed. So this is लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन 8. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगले वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे क्वेश्चन 9. थैंक यू.